Unlock every electrifying Premier Pro Wrestling match directly on your YouTube TV and never miss a takedown again. First, ensure you have the YouTube TV app installed on your preferred streaming device. This could be your smart TV, phone, tablet, or gaming console. Once you're in the YouTube TV app, navigate to the search function. You'll typically find this represented by a magnifying glass icon. In the search bar, type Premier Pro Wrestling. As you type, suggestions might appear below. Keep an eye out for the official PPW channel or scheduled events. Some Premier Pro Wrestling content might be available through specific sports add-in packages on YouTube TV or on networks already included in your base subscription. Check the PPW website or social media for their broadcast partners to know which specific channel to look for. If PPW has a dedicated channel or is aired on a specific network, you can then browse the live guide within YouTube TV to find their scheduled events. Look for upcoming match listings or special broadcasts. If you can't watch live, remember you can always set Premier Pro Wrestling events to record using YouTube TV's Cloud DVR feature. Just select the event and choose to record it for later viewing. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to access the high-flying, hard-hitting action of Premier Pro Wrestling on YouTube TV, ensuring you're always ringside for every epic showdown.